Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can purchase Amazon Prime Video, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your Amazon Prime Video app on a mobile phone. Now let's go ahead a bit back and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right afterwards, you're gonna see I have simply scrolled the page and have found plenty of movie option, which includes the option of subscribe, rent, or buy. So let's say if I want to buy a particular show, all I got to do is tap on it. Now right afterwards, we're gonna find this option of subscription option on top, rent movie with the amount, and buy movie with the amount right over there. And if you want to simply purchase or buy, tap on it. And now simply go ahead, double click, get the verification, and then go to the section where you will have to provide the payment information of yours for the sake of the payment. Once you have provided them the payment, and then you will be able to simply purchase the particular movie of yours and you're good to go. You will be able to buy it and then watch it however you want, whenever you want. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.